Alright guys, here it goes. Okay, so I am pretty much done carving this out. What I'm thinking of doing, and this is my first time, I'm thinking of spray painting it now and then removing the paper so that it kind of helps me just do the relief and not the whole thing, so I don't have a crazy amount of sanding. This is the first time though, so I really don't know. I'm going to try spray painting it now, so you'll probably come back and see it covered in black. So what I'm doing here is I spray painted it, and now I'm trying to get the paper wet so I can peel it off. Booyah! I cannot believe this worked as nice as it did.